Hello student, how are you? Fine. Today I am discuss with you scientific management. What you understand scientific management? Science that means the process of the systematic work, and the management how that means the manage of the work. So systematic manage of the work are called scientific management. So easy. Other than according to the different knowledge, we are defined the scientific management in different situations and the different position and different word. But today we are discussing about the scientific management, and let us try to understand about the scientific management. Scientific management refers to the classical outlook of management. It's a create the classical outlook. What do you mean by the classical outlook? Classical outlook that means refers to the systematic process of the work, decorated process of the work, which are focused to the dividing the best way of the completing a task. Classical variations is the most attendant and focus to the finish the work in a systematic process and the very smooth and the very clear process. So it's a make the effectiveness and the efficiency. So it's create the effectiveness and the efficiency to the work. It's the working according to the standard technology and the tools and the equipment and the methods. So scientific management, it's a makes the work of perfect. It's a improved the production's quality, production's results, and so other factors are the very influenced due to the scientific management. It's also to have improve the work positions, work environment, not only for productions and the other things. It's the not to improve the productions quality and the other things. It's also improve the work environments which help to the workers to magnificent work for the organizations. So scientific management means it is a process to maintain the work in a classically. That means it's a maintain the work very effective and the efficient through the scientific tools. So scientific managements improve the scenarios of the business. So let us try to understand the principle of the scientific management. Scientific management principle. A scientific management principle. The first principle of the scientific management, science, not rule of thumb. The scientific management is a science, not rule for thumb. Instead, the rule of thumb method, the scientific management practices should be the follow under rule of the thumb. A manager is used to the trial and the error methods to find out the solutions to the problem, not only determine it's okay you do it. He makes a show about the work, then he apply the work. Other than under the rule of the thumbs, no this types of the criteria is the requirements. Trial and the error methods, that means it's used to the create the accuracy of the work, accuracy of the methods. When we are accurate, technology and the methods are adopted in the business, so naturally its result is the very high. So when the scientific management principle is adopted through the trial versions to the trial and the error methods, it's a higher impact, because if it is a failure in the trial, that method is the not adopted. So other methods to try which are the best, all the one. So it is the applicable only, it is a science. So it's a work a systematic process, and the trial and the error method is the most efficient and the effective manner to perform the work. Second is harmony, not a discard. Both managers and the workers should contributed to the maintaining a harmony work environments. Without the help of the worker and without the help of the management, it's not possible to maintain the harmonic work. uh, Taylor's theories, the mental revolutions is the based on this. Uh, that is, the management of the organization should be take care of the need of the worker, and the workers on the other hand should be the work of the best of their efficiency. मैनेजर्स को भी ध्यान रखना होगा अपने वर्कर्स का, और तभी वर्कर जो है उसके लिए सबसे अच्छे तरीके से काम करेंगे, अपनी पूरे एफर्ट के साथ, अपनी इफ़िशियंसी के साथ काम करेंगे। तो साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट्स के अंदर क्या था कि नॉट हार्मोनी, सिर्फ एक ही तरफ दबाव नहीं था, दोनों लोग मिलकर काम करते थे, जिसका रिजल्ट क्या था कि जो हमारे पास बेस्ट ऑप्शंस थे वर्क, हम उसको सेलेक्ट करते थे और उसके बेस्ट रिजल्ट के लिए, या हम कह सकते हैं उसका सबसे अच्छा परिणाम के लिए हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं। Next is corporations, not the individualism. That means so all the managers not perform all the work individual. So he never try to think all the benefits have to on. He are depend on the workers to perform the work and do the work. If he want to the all the workers perform a very well, that situations he have to the cooperatives, he take care the workers, and that's the result is the created the workers do work more efficiently and the best way, and the best contributions of the work is outcome. So manager सिर्फ अपने बारे में नहीं सोचना होगा उसको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट का प्रिंसिपल कहता है कि मैनेजर को मिलकर काम करना है वर्कर्स से, इसलिए वो उसको अपने बच्चों की तरह ख्याल रखना है। और अगर अगर वो ऐसा करता है तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, जो वर्कर हैं, जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, वो भी उसके रिजल्ट में क्या करेंगे कि बहुत बेहतर तरीके से फुल विलिंग के साथ काम करेंगे, फुल इफ़िशियंसी के साथ काम करेंगे। उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा वो 100% होगा, वो अपना बेस्ट एफर्ट जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए देगा। इसलिए एक मैनेजर को क्या होना चाहिए, कोऑपरेटिव होना चाहिए, इंडिविजुअल नहीं होना चाहिए। उसको अपने बेनिफिट्स के बारे में या सिर्फ अपने बारे में ही नहीं सोचना चाहिए, उसको ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में या एम्प्लॉयज़ के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए, जिससे वो काम लेता है। अगर उसके बारे में वो सोचता है तो उसका वो जो बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस होता है एम्प्लॉयज़ का वो गेन कर सकता है। नेक्स्ट है पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट। इस कंडीशन में पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट्स एम टू द इम्प्रूव द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज़ टू द मैक्सिमाइज। ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के अंदर क्या किया जाता है कि हर एक एम्प्लॉयज़ के इंडिविजुअल डेवलपमेंट्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है, क्योंकि एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम देयर आर डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज आर क्रिएटेड in the organizations. If the worker is well, it's create the more efficient manners of the work. So personal development is the more effective challenge in the present time. So all the managements are the focus to the skill development of the employees, maximizations of the employee. He improve the situations and he improve the efficiency, skill and the knowledge of the employees. That situation he all the employees are effective. So this situations he work very well and he maintain the effort and he work to mentally and physically very well mannered. So there are 4 principles of the scientific management. We consider next class, next topic. Thank you, goodbye, take care, watch my video, and if you have any problem please comment the video. Thank you.